Hi, I'm Barry Freeman. I'm from Regina, Saskatchewan. I took Heal Your Life training with facilitator Victoria Johnson, and it's in Banff. It was great. She's a great facilitator. I took away a lot of learnings from this, and I'm excited to apply them to my business back home.
My name is Maria Jacinto, and I am from Mexico. I came here to Banff to take the Heal Your Life training, and I want to share it was an amazing experience because I really heal a lot. I didn't expect to work a lot on myself and really help me in my self-development.
My name is Nyla Kluge, and I come from Whitehorse, Yukon, Selkirk First Nation from Pelly Crossing, Yukon. I feel that through this experience being here at this gathering for the last 10 days, my spirit feels full, my spirit feels healthy, whole, healed. I feel at peace. I feel just really positive about my outlook in life and where I'm going to go with this whole new process of life. And I have a lot to offer myself, and loving myself is number one, and taking care of myself is number one. And I'm grateful to my higher power, to Creator, for guiding me to this special place called You Can Heal Your Life.
Hi there, my name is Doreen Hill and I'm from Vancouver Island. So I made the journey to Banff to be here for this workshop, and it's actually been so transformative for me in my life. It's been quite an adventure, and I'm so grateful that I made the trip and signed myself up and went through the program. It's been amazing.
So my name is Lise Kobus. I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. What brought me to Banff initially was my friend Charlotte, and knowing Louise Hay, I thought, oh my goodness, there's a natural workshop to learn Louise Hay, to be a teacher or a coach with Louise Hay, and I thought, oh my God, I'm jumping on. Everybody can benefit from this. Louise Hay teachings are simple yet very deep, going to the core with love, with so much love. And that is the takeaway that I'm leaving Banff with, is how much I can do for myself. I read the books, but it wasn't the same as being in a 10-day concentrated group. Yeah, it's the best.
My name is Charlotte Kniepenack Stone Bear. I am from Manitoba, and I live in a reservation called Skownan. And I never thought that I would have an opportunity with a training that was created by Louise Hay. The breakthroughs continuously happened all through the entire time that I've been here.
My name's Tanea. I'm from Grand Forks, BC. I was introduced to Louise Hay's work a long time ago, but this last year and a half, I had a really struggling health journey, and her name kept coming up and her book kept coming up. And then all of a sudden I saw an advertisement for this training, and I was like, oh my goodness, okay, is this real? I think I need to come to this. So I contacted Victoria. He's like, yeah, it's real. And I was like, all right, I'm meant to be here. I wasn't supposed to make it for this one, but I got the opportunity to come again and be here in more of a leadership role this time. And I'm just so blessed, and I have so much gratitude for being able to come then, because it really helped me on my healing, my personal healing, but then also getting to take what I've learned here and be able to bring it back to my community.
Hi, I'm Priscilla Desley, and I'm from the Horse Lake First Nation, and I just completed the Heal Your Life training, coach and trainer, and it is absolutely phenomenal. It changed my life. I love myself. This is just a great opportunity, and I am so glad that I got the opportunity to take this and help change people's lives as it changed mine.
My name is Kismet, and I'm from Edmonton, Alberta. The training was awesome, and the Victoria was awesome, and I'm so grateful to be here, especially with Victoria, because whatever I was looking for, I got way more than that, and I'm so confident going home with all the tools, all the resources, and with all the love from everybody here.
Hi, my name's Cindy. I'm from England. I found this training on the Heal Your Life website. I was just so wanted to do it. I've been wanting to do this training for such a long time, and I really liked the look of Victoria and sort of read all her qualifications, and she'd been teaching it for quite a long time, and I thought that's what I want to do. That's the course I want to go on.
My name is Lisette. I traveled 7,000 kilometers to be here in Banff, Canada for the Heal Your Life workshop and coach training, and I have just been drawn to Victoria since I got her name referred to me from Paul, and this has been an amazing journey.
My name is Marlene Big Sorrel Horse. I'm from the Kainai Blood Tribe and part of the Blackfoot Confederacy. I came to Heal Your Life training to get the tools that I need to be able to go back and help out in my community. The Heal Your Life training and teachings really helped me, changed my life.
My name is Tina McCumber. I'm from Ganawagi Mohawk Territory. I was told about Victoria's Heal Your Life training session by a member of my community, and I felt very drawn to it because I've been in a healing journey heavily in the past year and a half, and I felt, and she also felt, that this would be the next step for me. And coming here has really opened my eyes and really helped me heal some of the inner child traumas that I've had in my life. Victoria has been a phenomenal facilitator, coach. She's amazing at her job. Her voice just can put me to sleep. It's so gentle and soft and genuine, and her whole being is just magical. And I really appreciated this whole experience.
My name is Teresa Hauer. I am from Pennsylvania. This has just been a sacred turning point in my life. I have released old patterns. I feel so much better and so much lighter, and I've learned so many tools. I'm leaving here with powerful tools that I can take home with me to help others.
Victoria as a facilitator is phenomenal.
Gosh, she's amazing. I mean, yeah, just so knowledgeable and so professional. And I just learnt so much. And she's just such a good facilitator, teacher, just gets it absolutely right.
Victoria as a facilitator she's so beautiful. She's got a loving, kind spirit. She's puts a lot of good energy into her work, and she takes her work very serious in helping people achieve their dreams and to help people achieve their personal healing. And I'm so grateful to Victoria for helping me on this path. I really needed this in my life at this time, and believe that she's going to guide me into a bigger place, a better place for myself and those that I help in my community.
Victoria just brings this warmth and presence to the room, and she builds this safe container. So you really feel safe, you feel heard, and she has this natural ability to kind of hone into what's going on for somebody and able to support them in the moment when things are coming up. So it's beautiful.
And all the training with Victoria, she's amazing. She really have a lot of experience of that, and I really follow the instructions she was giving to us. It was a big group. Honestly, she have a lot of experience in how to manage the group, how to do the exercise.
Victoria, the trainer, helped me with all the teachings that she's done. She's a valuable person to me, and I learned a lot from her. I learned about myself, and then I learned to love myself, first of all. And then from loving myself, I'm able to develop all these other skills to be able to help others. She teaches kindness, compassion, and all these good things that will help me to go back out to our community, my family, my friends in the community, to be able to help out for other people to heal the way I did. And it's a great life now, and I thank Victoria for it. She is my big inspiration in life. Thank you, Victoria.
Victoria is a phenomenal facilitator, straight from the heart. She lives her experience. She's absolute great facilitator. That's all I can say. She's a life changer.
What I love so much about Victoria is she's so genuine, and she has a lot of respect for the First Nation communities. And I'm so grateful that I was here this week. I got to meet amazing people from around the world. And thank you so much, Victoria. You've helped me grow in so many ways.
Oh, met so many great people. Yeah, so many great people.
Just really genuine, heart-centered people.
Oh, I'm gonna get so emotional now. It's the people I've met here, I know are going to be some people I'm going to have in my life for the rest of my life. And they mean a lot to me. It's amazing what you can do in 10 days and the relationships you can build and the wisdom and be embraced and just being cared for by all these people. It's truly, truly amazing.
Oh, I can't even explain. They're like family. And this is our last day. And yeah, it's great to meet all these beautiful people from all over the world. And I know this is not the last time we'll be together. And I make a commitment to make sure I keep in touch with everybody. And yeah, I think we're here to help each other grow and become a big family.
I'm just really excited that I'm able to have this deep of a connection with so many different people from all over. And yeah, I'm sure they're going to be some lifelongers and being able to just keep in contact as we go. So yeah, it's been awesome.
The people I've met here, oh my goodness, amazing. And to go from a room of 40 people from many different countries and feel so connected with them in just a short period of time, I've made lasting friendships.
Oh, the connections I've made is so beautiful. I met people from all over the place. It's just a beautiful, all that we learned together, starting from day 1 and then at day 10, we're just all missing each other already.
I'm leaving here with friendships that will last until my last dying day. That's how serious it is. The people are just absolutely amazing.
I would say don't hesitate, it's well worth it.
Do it. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's life-changing. I know you hear these things from time to time when people say, this course was life-changing. This truly, truly was. On a soul level, it was life-changing. There were so many aspects of my life, patterns that I wasn't happy, that I was repeating. I was unconscious of them. And I'm a counsellor, so being self-aware is really, really important. And I thought I was self-aware, but other layers were peeled back, and yeah, it was just unbelievable. I would just say do it.
Just honor yourself and jump in. Just trust yourself, trust your intuition. Do it.
I would tell them that if you're ready to work on yourself or with yourself and the inner child in you, then do this. You will not regret it. It's one of the best things that I have done for myself.
Come here, come to the training. Oh, it's so wonderful, amazing. You have to come here and take this. It'll transform your life, and it's really something else. You come here and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's great.
Definitely, you're not going to be disappointed. Yeah, I'm sure everybody would get some benefit from being able to come to this training in your personal life, in your career, and again, the connections that you make people is absolutely amazing. It's life-changing.
Heal your life because you're worth it.
Is one of the most magical places I've ever been at. I want to move here. The place is just like magic. I feel so much at home being here, and just the sun and the snow, and just you can go right down by the river and just enjoy. And I've been sitting by the riverbanks every day just gazing out over the water. So it's amazing. Absolutely healing place.
Oh, Banff was just unbelievable. It's such a spiritual place, I would say. Such a grounding place. It's just beautiful.
Banff is a wonderful location for this kind of work because, the mountains carry such energy.
And the place here in Banff is amazing. I think it's the best combinations or work on yourself and work in your mentally and work in learning, and also be outside with the beautiful mountains in the lake and the river. I think everything is perfect for do this kind of workshop.
Banff itself, the aura, the mountains, it's just new beginnings.
Oh, it's magical. I've never been anywhere like this.
Wow, the mountains, the water, the area that we're in, the hotel, like all of it is just complementary to everything, especially as being Indigenous. These things matter to us, and being so close to the water is so amazing. All of it though, and just feels like being in nature, being in Banff, and I don't think you should ever leave.
Oh, I just love the training here in Banff. It's so beautiful here. Oh, there's so much to do.
Where else could you hold something where you're plumbing the depths of yourself, the nature, the mountains, the water, the snow, all of it contributed for me to be supported.
The retreat in Banff was amazing. Healing to be in the mountains.
Banff is a great place for a retreat. Holy, yeah, it's amazing. 10 days in Banff is just a chance of a lifetime. It was a great experience.